Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to this episode of Old Guy's Garage. Really appreciate you tuning in. Today we're going to work on a G35 and a BMW, but we're actually going to teach you how to polish out some headlights. You know how they get oxidized over a long period of time and they get faded out? We're going to show you how to get them crystal clear. Thanks, stay tuned. Oh, and you guys like this kind of a shirt, or you like hot rod shirts like that logo there and this one right here, go to Castiworks, CASTIWORX.com, and you can get all kinds of t-shirts and hot rod shirts and hats and coffee mugs and stuff like that. My brother Mike, who's the designer of the new Dodge Challenger and does all our artwork here at Old Guy's Garage, give a shout out to Mike at Castiworks.com. Go to Castiworks and get your t-shirts of all kinds of different hot rods, cups, and hats. Thanks, guys. The kind of artwork that Mikey does. It's a 59 vet. That was my Uncle Nick's vet. That is now in France. And then he did our logo, which is awesome. Thanks, Mikey.
And what is up, guys?
What we're going to do today, you see the headlights on these things are just totally faded out and oxidized. And man, that's just like, it's almost white. It's not even close to being clear anymore. When the lights are on at night, you can barely even see through it. And then same thing with this BMW right here. We're going to show you how to polish those out and get them super clean so you can actually see through them again. Stay tuned. Guys, here's some of the things you'll need. You need some nice cotton fiber towels. These are nice. We're going to use a buffer with a buffing wheel. And we're going to use these products right here. These are all Meguiar products. We're not sponsored yet by Meguiar, but we'd love to get your sponsorship if anybody from Meguiar is watching. We love your products and like to promote them for you. This is the Carnauba wax. This is the final thing. This is our polishing compound. And if you notice that Challenger right there, that was designed by my brother Mike at Castiworks.com. So go, if you like those t-shirts, go to Castiworks.com, and he's got a Challenger and some other stuff there. This is a swirl-free polish, so this is really good for black cars. But we're going to use these to polish out those lights. Here's a tip for you. If you're ever using a buffer or some other tool that you're constantly yanking on the cord, one of my shop guys that I used to work with, I believe it was Bill Headley at Corvette Colors, showed me this trick. So you just cross the wires, kind of make a knot, but you're not actually making a complete knot. And then when you pull, it just gets tighter. It will not separate. So that's just a good tip. Cut. All right, guys. So these are, you can see, are completely oxidized. The light doesn't even show through them. And even when you get them wet, it doesn't really do much. So we're going to put a little rubbing. This is rubbing compound. We're going to do that first. Then we're going to do a polishing compound. And then we're going to wax it. Alright guys, we're using the McGuire's polishing compound now.
Some a little bit lower.
It doesn't look brand new, but it's pretty close. And we're going to still do one more coat of polish and then wax. Alright guys, look, it's done. Doesn't it look good? Here's the old side. And here's the new side. No, just kidding. That's got wax on it. That's all got to come off. But even with the wax on it, it looks a little better than the old side does. It's still a little clearer. Alright, we're going to let that dry and then take it off. So what we're doing is we're going to polish this side out on the BMW while we're waiting for the other side to dry on the Infiniti. Wow, look at that. That's nice. I'm going to back off, show you the other side. And then zoom in on the other side. And you can see how yellow, how cloudy that is. Can't see the bulbs inside. Light barely penetrates that at night. Versus now, this one looks almost brand new. Alright guys, thank you for staying tuned. And now we're going to switch over to the BMW and get this set done. Then we're going to go back and finish that one. you can see the two. Stay tuned, guys. This car is going to get custom painted. If you want to let me know what color you think we ought to shoot it, I got a couple ideas. Let us know. We're going to do a really cool paint job on this thing. You guys will like it. So stay tuned. Like and subscribe. And so you can get upcoming notifications. If you hit that notification bell, we're going to do a custom paint job on this car real soon. Let's get back over to that one. She's done. That one's clean, totally polished out. We'll show you. Well, you saw the before and after from left to right. We'll post before and after when it's done. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go ahead and finish up on this one. That's our final coat right there. That's wax. And that really came out good. And that's crystal clear. That literally is like brand new. And that is not. There we go. Now it's focused. Alright, we're going to finish that one up and wrap it up. If you want to see some of the upcoming episodes and some of our other videos where we're working on some other cool cars, please tune in and subscribe and look at some of the other stuff we have going on. Let me just flip the camera around here real quick. Here's one of the projects we're working on at 67 El Camino. Looking sweet. It's running good. Just had a little hiccup back here. So we're working on fixing this. We're going to do all metal fabrication. And believe it or not, we're going to get that totally restored. So the other cool car we're working on, it's hard to see right now because it's all blacked out, but it's our 67 SS 496 Chevelle. And you can actually see it on there. It's our logo, front end of our logo. Here's an interior shot. We're gonna just put some temporary gauges in our last video. You can go online and check this one out. And it's gonna look like this when we're done. This is our SEMA build for 2020. Hopefully they have it in November, or we are able to make it. So thanks a lot, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode. Please like and subscribe. I also wanted to show you this C10. This is the next project we're gonna do. We're gonna take the bed off. It's got a little issue with the frame. We're gonna straighten the frame. We're gonna move the gas tank to the back. Hide the gas tank fill. Goes alley. Brakes are working. Look at the mountains, isn't that beautiful? This has a big block in it too, 454. See right there. It's gonna be a fun build. So stay tuned if you like C10s also. Thanks guys, please like and subscribe. About 80% of our viewers are watching and not subscribed, so we'd appreciate it if you just hit the subscribe button. Thanks guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. We really appreciate your patronage, and if you haven't, again, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.